The new Rode Wireless Pro just came out and I bought one. It cost me $399 and I wanted to give you a little overview of the microphone, an unboxing, and some first impressions. I wanted a microphone to be able to record some YouTube videos without having to rely on the microphone that's attached to the computer, and also wanted higher quality audio than just using the microphone built into my phone. The Rode Wireless Pro comes with 2 transmitters and 1 receiver. It also comes with 2 Rode Lavalier 2 microphones. It has 32-bit float, onboard recording, and timecode capabilities for use in audio sync and post-production. There's also intelligent gain assist technology that gives flexible output gain control. There's also a safety channel for ensuring pristine audio when recording direct to the camera. The onboard storage allows for over 40 hours of onboard recording time and has a locking 3.5mm connector to prevent the lavaliers from getting yanked out. Apparently, the transmitters can also provide up to 7 hours of recording time before needing to be charged, which is more than enough for what I bought it for. The transmitter and receiver is advertised to be able to handle 260 meters of distance line of sight, which is way more than I'll ever need, but should mean that I'll be able to get a good signal for my use case. However, with the ability to also record audio to the transmitter for an audio backup, even if the signal does drop, I should have audio that I can recover and sync later on. The case itself charges via USB-C and provides additional battery for the transmitters and receivers to charge. You can also put the transmitters and receivers in the case, plug it into the computer, and transfer the audio to the computer without having to take the transmitters out of the case. Without further ado, here's the unboxing. This is a wireless microphone that can be connected to your phone, the computer, a camera. So this item retails for $399. I did spend my own money on it. And in the box here, you have 2 cases. One of them is for the actual devices, and the other one's an accessory carrying case. Here's a cable, a USB-C cable. We'll go through the accessory box first. I got some cables here. At the end of the video, I'll put up a thing that shows you all that comes in the box. It does come with 2 of these MagSafe clips. These MagSafe clips can be used along with the transmitters, so you can magnetically connect the transmitter to your clothing if you so desire. Also in the box is a Rode microfiber cloth. Here are the accessories that come with the 2 lavaliers. Inside that accessory box you have the pop filters as well as little collars. Inside the accessory box is these lavaliers. They do have the screw so that it can attach to the transmitter and not get yanked out. As mentioned, there are 2 of them. If you go on Rode's website, each of these costs $99. So you get 2 of them, so in theory that's $198 of value. Also inside this accessory case is a total of 5 of these furry windshields. They give you 2 for the lavaliers and then 3 for the transmitter and receiver. Alright, so that's everything in the accessories box. Time to open the actual carrying case. It's a charging carrying case, so it does allow you to charge your devices while they're in the case. Here in my hands I have the receiver. And also in the case you have 2 of these transmitters. If you look on top there, it has the threaded 3.5mm, and it has a microphone on top as well that you can use. All right, all in all, here is what is in the package. Now I'll do a little testing with the microphone. This is going to be somewhat of a test. I have the transceiver right here in my pocket with the Lavalier 2 connected to me, connected to my phone, and I'm just trying to see how the range ends up working. I'm just going to go a bit out there and see if it remains connected the whole time. I'm not going to go to the entire range because I don't need it for that, but I'm just going to go out there, see if it works for me, and I'll be back. All right, don't know how many feet this is, but this is this many feet away. Now I'm this far away, seeing if the mic still works. All right, hopefully you can still see me. All right, now I'm out here testing to see if the microphone still connects. Probably getting a little bit hard to see me, but just seeing if you guys can still hear me through this microphone. Now here I am out here trying to see if you can still hear me. I'm actually behind these trees now. Have no idea if you can see me with the angle that I chose for the video, but hopefully you can still hear me at least. All right, you may or may not be able to see me through these trees. I'm kind of squatting, trying to look at the camera, but hopefully you can still hear me. Hopefully you like the demonstration of the range on this microphone, if that's something that you are interested in or need this microphone for. All right, so what I'm going to try to do this time, I have the transmitter here in my hand. I'm going to try to cause wind by spinning in a circle and see how well it works without this, without having anything on it, and then with this fuzzy thing on it. And then I'm going to do the same thing with the lavalier. So here I go. Now I'm going to try the same thing except with the wind protector on, see how that works. Alright, so now I'm going to try to do the same thing except with this lavalier. I guess first I'll do it without any kind of cover on it. The microphone is facing forward, so I'm going to create the wind going into the microphone to see how that sounds. So here it goes. So now I got this cover on. I'm going to see how it sounds in terms of the wind, doing the same test I did before. So I got the microphone facing this way. This is the wind protector that comes with the Rode Wireless Pro. I'm going to try the same test now with this one. There's probably better ways to simulate wind and all kinds of stuff, but why not have fun with it, right? Now, time for what you all have not been waiting for. My first impressions of this microphone system. The system is easy enough to use that even I was able to use it. Am I using the most complicated features of this microphone? No, but as long as it does what it needs to, that's a successful system. The audio you're hearing right now is from the Rode Wireless Pro with the Lavalier 2 connected to my phone. Sounds pretty good to me. What do you guys think? The windscreens that came with the microphone seem to do their job, but I'll probably use it with the pop filter most of the time unless I'm going to be recording in an area that has a lot of wind. I like the flexibility that this microphone gives me and the audio quality that it gives me versus just using my phone as a camera and using the built-in microphone, or having to be tethered to my computer using my XLR microphone. This system might be overkill for what I need, but seeing as it was a new product that just came out, I got excited and I needed to try it. I actually don't regret this purchase at all. I think it's going to add a little bit of flexibility and give me the ability to record in different ways. Additionally, if at some point I decide I want to turn this microphone into like a reporting or interview type microphone, there is an attachment that exists that I'll link in the description down below, but it allows you to make the transmitter into an interview microphone. There are a lot of microphones in this product range. DJI makes some, Rode has some other ones as well, but I'm definitely not disappointed in my purchase. This is on the more expensive side of that consumer level microphone, but I think it's well worth it, especially considering you get two of the Lavalier 2 microphones, which, as I mentioned before, could be up to $198 of value depending on how you actually value it. At $399, this definitely is not a cheap microphone system, but I feel like it's worth the cost. If you have any questions about this microphone, go ahead and leave them down in the comments down below. And if you like this video, go ahead and like and subscribe.